15 days ago, I made my first money from this channel, but today, I'm giving up. This channel started with anime edits. You knew me as Igris, the guy who crafted solo leveling episodes from the manhwa. But after reaching monetization, something hit me. I wasn't offering anything real from myself, and that was the whole reason I started this in the first place. You can call me Enchant. I've been many things, and all of them made me who I am. My life started getting better when I fixed my discipline and faith. Since 2022, I've fallen hard, climbed back up, and faced parts of myself I didn't know existed. But here I am, somewhere I couldn't have dreamed of 3 years ago. The setbacks, the fixes, the long nights and breakthroughs, I'll share them all with you. Why? Because I know what it's like to feel alone, to think no one understands. And if you're one of those people, I want to help. Discipline, faith, mindset, productivity, online income, origami, memorization techniques, drones, whatever I work on, we'll talk about it here. This isn't just an edit channel anymore. It's a mirror, a journal, a map. You'll hear my voice, but for now, this avatar will be my face. Maybe one day I'll show you more. Each week, we'll go through real issues I've faced, and I'll show you exactly how I managed to overcome them. We'll unpack most of the mess together, whatever personal growth really means, bit by bit. And no, you're not walking this road alone anymore. If you want someone real beside you on this road, subscribe. I'm Enchant. Let's build each other.